Look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I choose to believe God. Some trust in horses, some trust in chariots, but we shall remember the name of the Lord. What's his name? What's his name? Just say yeah. You want to tell a neighbor, I'm gone now. But tell your neighbor, say neighbor, because I'm a believer. I believe. What do you believe? I believe that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I believe that the wealth of the wicked is laid up for the righteous. I believe that by his stripes I'm healed. I believe that my God shall supply all of my needs according to his riches in glory. Let's go higher, because God said that there are some believers in the house tonight that need to go ahead and give God glory in your pain. Go ahead and give God worship in your trial, just to let the devil know that you should have killed me when you had the chance, but I'm still I'm here, and I still believe God. I got a question for the church tonight. I got a question for the saints tonight, and the question is, whose report will you believe? I will believe that report of the Lord. The report says that I'm healed. The report says that I'm delivered. The report says the way's made. If you believe it, lift your voice and say yeah. Say yeah. 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 I dare to leave your seat and touch 2 or 3 people and say, neighbor, oh neighbor, I made a decision. I made a choice. And you can believe in your psychology, but I believe God. You can believe in your philosophy, but I believe God. You can believe this fake gospel, but I believe God that there's one Lord, one faith, and one baptism. What's his name? What's that name? What's that name? Jesus, my healer. Jesus, my way maker. Jesus, my deliverer. Jesus, Jesus, yeah. Leave your seat and just tell somebody. Say, I believe God, I believe God, I believe God.